Do you want to know the best 3 indicators every trader must have in 2025? I'll show you 2 proven classic plus an exclusive premium tool that can take your trading to the next level. So hold on, immediately after our intro, dive straight into the main point. Welcome to AFTechTrades, where we bring you the best trading strategies, setup, and tools. If you are serious about leveling up your trading, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. So, on our list, the first indicator that I consider one of the best in 2025 is the Relative Strength Index. This is a momentum indicator that can help identify overbought and oversold levels. The normal setting for this, the default settings for this indicator is when the price is above 70, it is considered overbought, right? Where majority of sellers look for sell opportunity. But if the price is below 30, which we consider the oversold region, where great opportunities for buy comes in, right? So there are different ways to trade this strategy using the RSI indicator. You need to combine it with other confluences for higher probability win rate. So now let's move on to our indicators and add RSI. We'll just type in RSI. So once you type in RSI, you see Relative Strength Index. You click on it will be added to your indicators, right? So now here is RSI. You can move it down to your settings. This is the default setting, by the way, but if you want it to look very clean, you can move into your settings and you can change the inputs from this type to EMA. Here you change it to EMA. Then you come to style. Here the RSI, which is the purple color, you can see this purple color line is the RSI line. You can change it to any color of your choice. Here you can select it to be any color of your choice, and you can increase the thickness. You can increase the thickness of the RSI. Then the RSI MA base, which is the yellow color. In most time, I don't really use this. I usually remove it from my settings, right? So we have the upper band. What I usually do on the upper band is to increase the visibility, the thickness. Once you increase the thickness, I make here red. Meaning if the MA, okay, I'll tell you how it works. I'll just make it red color. Then let's move to the other one, which is the lower band. And the lower band, I increase the thickness, right? And I make it green. And I change this to 20, right? Before, I remember the default was 30. So I changed it to 20. Now, how do I trade this strategy? You can increase the thickness to wherever you want. You can increase it to wherever you want for your own visibility. And now, let me increase this one also. So now, the strategy behind this is that if this line comes to this red zone, it's giving me a signal that I should go for a sell, right? Remember our default setting was 70, which was around this zone here. So but now I increase it because I want to get higher confluence. So if it gets to this zone here, this my EMA that I changed the MA line, right? If it gets to this zone, I'll be looking to sell. So remember, this works on any time frame. This is just 5-minute time frame for scalping purpose, right? If it comes to this green zone, meaning I'll be looking for a buy here. The market is oversold. right? So one good thing for this strategy to work perfectly is for you to combine price action, or you combine other indicators, right? You can combine the MACD indicator or the moving average indicator. So that is how this particular strategy works, and I consider it one of the best indicator in 2025 because it's so user friendly, it's good for beginner traders, and easy to understand. So now let's move on to the next indicator on our list. The next indicator on our list is no any other indicator than our precious MACD indicator. And we made a customized MACD indicator. Let's remove this. You can remove the RSI indicator now, which now we made our customized MACD indicator specially made for our AFTechTrades subscribers, which is this. Why this is different from the usual MACD is because, let me add it, is because we increase its winning rate, we increase its sensitivity, not like the normal general MACD on TradingView, right? The probability, the winning probability is higher, the sensitivity is higher than the normal MACD, and it works on all time frame. You can use it both on 15 minutes, you can use it on higher time frame, 1 hour or so. And what are the rules in trading MACD? The rule in trading MACD, we have different rules, but one of the best rule in trading MACD is when your 2 MA lines move above the histogram, the 50 line histogram, this particular line here, you can see a line. You can actually go to your settings to probably increase the thickness of the 0 line, which is the middle line. You can increase it so that it can be more visible. You won't change the color to whatever color you want. You can change it to whatever color you want, just because you want it to be more visible. Let's change it to black, for example, and I have increased the thickness of it. You can see it boldly. I hope you can see it now. You can see it very boldly, right? So now we are not the major strategy we are using with this is when these 2 lines crosses above here, above this 0 line, this histogram, we will be looking for a buy position just above here, right? Once it crosses here and we find out that okay, this histograms at this line are becoming green, these candles have changed to green, they will be looking for fully buy position. Then on sell occasion, we wait for it to come down here. Once it comes down and it is red, we'll be looking for sell position. So now we have other confluence of how to make it a higher probability win rate. What are the confluence? I have done a video on that on this channel, but let me repeat what I said there on that video, just in case you don't want to go and watch that video. But I would advise you do go and watch the video. So this brings us to our next best indicator on trading. So if you are yet to join our Telegram channel and you need this particular indicator, you need to join our Telegram channel because I have dropped the link to this indicator, to this particular MACD indicator on our Telegram channel. So if you are not subscribed to our Telegram channel, you need to subscribe so you get access to the link, right? You cannot go to Telegram and get the indicator just like that for free. You have to pass through our Telegram channel. There's a link there on our pinned messages on the Telegram channel. Then you will click the link. It will take you straight to the indicator. You add it to your favorite. You can see. And you come to your indicators and click on favorite. It will come out, right? So now this brings us to our final indicator, which is the best buy sell pro max indicator by AFTechTrades. This particular indicator is one very good indicator that every trader needs, every trader need. It works like magic, and it's the winning probability is very, very high. So now on this particular indicator, you can use it on any time frame. You can use it on any time frame. You can use it on higher time frame. You can use it on lower time frame. You can use it for scalping. You can use it for swing trade. So now what will you do with how does this indicator help? Combining this indicator with MACD will give you higher probability win rate. And the simple and the most easiest rule to trade with this indicator is when you see a crossover between these two lines and your candlesticks are green, right? You see a crossover and your candlesticks are green, and your MACD histogram is showing green, and the two lines moving averages on the MACD is also above the histogram. This is giving you access for you to signal for you to enter a long position. You enter a long position and you put your stop loss just below. You can put your stop loss just below the crossover, or you can put your stop loss below the most recent low or high, depending on if you are buying or you are selling, right? And you can target your TP using the previous highs or low, right? If you're buying or you're selling, just look at your left side and look at the market reaction. The most recent market reaction would be your first TP, then your second TP, and on. That's how this indicator works. I hope you get this. So now this let's move forward so you can see how it really works. You can see we have a crossover here, right? So sometimes I do remove the alert. You can leave it if you want, right? If you want to remove the alert, you need to come to this place you come to your settings and click on this place that says shapes. So once you click on this place that says shapes, it will remove the alerts, right? So now your major confluence of trading is when you see a crossover, right? You see a crossover line, then you enter. You can see we have a crossover here, and we have confirmed that our MACD histogram is all green, and the two moving averages are above, right? So we'll click on long position here. Your stop loss can either be here below the crossover or the most recent high or low. So you will now target your next TP. So your TP starts from here, like I said. Look at the left side. Your TP start, then you zoom in, to check your next TPs. So all these are your TP targets. I hope you get all this would be your TP target. So you see, so probably if I'm in this trade using this particular strategy, I would have been out from here or here. I hope you get how it works. So I would have been out of the trade from here, then I won't enter this trade again. I'll have to wait for another confluence for it to meet my trading strategy before I enter. So if you are trading with a particular strategy, stick to it. Don't jump from one strategy to another. That's where you get confused, and the market will deal with you with your emotions. I hope you get to. If you want to trade with pure indicator, trade with pure. If you want to use price action with indicator, then trade with price action with indicator. If you want to trade only market structure or pure price action, right, then trade with pure price action. Don't jump from one place to another. You get so that you don't get confused, and before you know it, you blow your account. If you find value in this video, do well to hit that subscribe button, like this video, also share this video so that others will benefit. So tell me in the comment section which of these indicators is your best game changer. Like I said, if you have not joined our Telegram channel, do well to join it, because that is where you have access to these indicators. The link is in the channel and in the pinned messages on the channel. So do well. So check the pinned messages on our Telegram channel. I will drop the link to the Telegram channel on the description of this video or in the comment section of this video. So hit that like, subscribe, and also share this video so that others will benefit. See you in our next video. Bye.